Yes, ma'am.
Now you see the cylinder, the bottom portion, page number 40. You can see the cylinder, right? The transparent sheet, the first figure, the transparent sheet is a section plane. That's imaginary. It is like a knife. Okay. Now see the next one. The top view of the cylinder. It's looking like a circle, even though it is the section plane is a ellipse, right? Is it clear? So in that way, so when you can see the true shape is the perpendicular to the section plane. You can see the true shape to the perpendicular to the section plane. Is it clear? Now, so we'll be doing one problem, not the which I've given today. We won't be doing those. We'll be doing some another one, simple positions. The same thing which you are seeing, looking on the screen. Now, I want to open a new page here. Please look at this. I want to open a new page.
Ma'am, we cannot see your presentation.
Okay, okay, yeah, okay. Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now. Now please concentrate here. Now I open a new page. So go here, open a new page. Okay, then open it. Now you can see something, nothing is there. Okay, now you means you want to start a drawing in one sheet, right? So to start a drawing in one sheet, you have to choose a drawing sheet. You have to choose a drawing sheet of size, size of the drawing sheet. It depends upon what type of drawing you are doing. Is it clear, all of you? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what type of drawing you want to draw? It depends upon the drawing sheet and depend upon the size of the drawing also. Size of the drawing means as per the scale. Already we had done the scales long back. Reduce scale, plain scale, like that. Okay. So which size of these drawings we have to draw? Suppose if we have to draw same size. Suppose you are doing your drawings on a A4 size sheets, right? Yes or no? Please respond. If you are doing in A4 size sheet, then we will set here the same, approximately the same size of the drawing in the screen also in AutoCAD. How to set? So we have to go for first. First we have to, and what type of units we are using. What type of units also we are using. That also we have to set. We are doing in a feet or we are doing in a centimeters or meters or any other thing. Okay. So that also we have to set here. So now first I will set a units here. Just type. And one more suggestion is when I am giving a command. When I am giving a command, please all of you note down that command at one side. Please all of you note down those commands at one side. Sometimes I will be telling the difference between the two commands. Some commands are very similar, but some difference will be there. So those type of questions also will be asked in the Viva for your lab exams. Okay. So my suggestion is whatever commands you are doing, please write down the commands at one side or one paper or back side of the page. Okay. Now, now I want to set a units. So I will take a command of units. Yes. Now, now here you can see. Can you able to see the screen? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please note down if you are having you want to write something else, you can write in your own way at that particular command. Or when we are doing any drawings, You can write it at one side about that explanation or whatever it is. Okay. Now here we are doing in decimal. See here decimal. So what type of decimal? Now we can just we are doing only decimal. No, no, don't go for engineering. Don't go for fractional. Don't go for scientific. Don't go for artificial. Okay, just decimal. So we are doing all in decimals till now. So we will use the decimal only. Okay. Now here precision. Now this is very, very important. Why? Because here the precision we are not doing very large scale of drawings. We are doing very small scale of drawings. So no need of this many decimals after decimal point. Okay. Like have you seen the maps? Some they will be showing in hectometers like this in that way. 1 hectometer point something something. So we are not that much doing here. So we don't want this much digits after decimal. Okay. So I want to remove this. So I want to take 1. Okay. Suppose if I take only 0 or after the decimal also I don't want to take. Here in this case what happens is if suppose the measurement I want 5.9, suppose let us say 5.9. Okay, it will show only 5. It won't show the number after the decimal, right? Number after the decimal, right? So here I want to show only one digit. Have you got what I told here now? Okay, I will show you again example. If I take this one, 0, okay, let it be here. Decimal degrees. Decimal degrees. Okay, let it be this much only. Decimal degrees. Enough. And here precision. Decimal degrees means precision also. I don't want to take here 0. So I will take first. I will take 0. Then I will show the reason. Okay. Now after deciding this one, then okay. 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 Now see here. I will show the difference. Now I will take a unknown length. Unknown length. Let us take some length. Okay. Now here I want to measure this one. I want to measure this one from here to here. So it's showing. I think here I have not saved. See here after decimal how much it is showing. Let me see again.
Yeah, it's showing 4 decimal points.
Yes, yes. Just wait. Units. Here decimal 0. Only one have to show. Okay. Again it's showing 3. Okay. I will change here. Here another. Here this space actually this one I have to change. This one I have to change. Here also I will change. Okay. So here, in this case I will show in the figure only. Okay. Here suppose if I take here some length is given. Some length is given. If I don't take the precision is only up to 0. So it will show only this part. Now here how much is 8, 0.8, right? So 0.8 is approximately near to 13. Yes or no? If I take precision only 1, so it won't take this much this 0.8. It will not show this 0.8. Even though it is 0.8 is there, it will not show 0.8. So it will show a lot of error. So my suggestion is you have to take one decimal after one digit after decimal. Okay. Units. One decimal. So I will take this one. Okay. And here also precision also degrees. If degree is 30.56 is there, suppose 30.5 is there. If you take this one, it will show only 30. It will not show 0.5. So it will show the lot of error. There will be a lot of error. So I want to show 1 decimal, 1 digit after decimal. Okay. Then okay. Okay. So we set the units. We set the units. Now we have to set up our page also. How much size of the page we have to take? How much size of the page we have to take? Now our paper is approximately 200 by 200, right? Or 250 by 250, A4 size sheet. Is it clear? So here limits. Near the left corner means out of this page, this is the page, this is the left corner, this corner is 0 comma 0, this corner is 0 comma 0, right? So we want 0 comma 0, so we don't want to change, so then enter. And the top right corner means this corner is 12 comma 9, but we are doing some, we want like 100 mm, 300 mm, like that we want. So what we have to do is here we will set 250. I want to set 250 comma 250. Okay. So to set the paper, now that it has not changed here, see. So we have to set this one on the screen. Okay, means our paper is somewhere on the table. Our paper is somewhere on the table. The table size is very big one, like 3 by 4 feet. Some corner is there. So it is also now at present our paper is somewhere else. Now what we have to do? We have to bring that drawing sheet in front of us. We have to bring the drawing sheet in front of us. Then we have to give a zoom command here. Zoom. Okay. Then enter. Then here you have to give the all, or you can pick here all also. Okay. Then zoom. Then all. Enter. So it will come in front of us. Means the paper will be set. So we can start. This is the lower left corner is 0, 0. Then right corner, top right corner is 250. Now here I will show the example. I will draw one line. So what is the, let us take somewhere I will draw the line like 30 centimeters, whatever, unit, 30 units. Okay. Now here I got the line. So we got on this page, you can see a page. This is the line we got. Now here, I want to change the limit again. I will change the limit again. Left corner will be 0, 0. And the right corner, I want to change 500, comma 500. Right? After changing the limit, this line will become small or big. Yes? Yes, please.
Small, ma'am.
Small means we are taking the bigger size of the paper, bigger size of the sheet. On the sheet, we have drawn the same line. So it will be seen that sheet will be set in this screen. I mean that bigger size. అంత పెద్ద size paper లో ఆ లైన్ చాలా చిన్న కనిపిస్తుంది. So it will be reduced. Then enter. So here zoom. నేను zoom చేయలేదు ఇక్కడ. Zoom అంటే మళ్ళీ ఒరిజినల్ ప్లేస్ కి వస్తుంది as per our given limit. Zoom, enter, all. See here. Now you got it. Is it clear now? So మన జూమ్ లిమిట్ ఎంత పెద్దగా ఇస్తే మన ఫిగర్స్ అంత చిన్న చిన్న కనిపిస్తాయి. ఓకే, మన జూమ్ ఎంత పెద్దగా నాట్ జూమ్ మనం లిమిట్స్ ఎంత పెద్దగా ఇస్తే అంత చిన్నగా కనిపిస్తుంది. మీన్స్ లిమిట్స్ వీఆర్ గివింగ్ వెన్ వి గివ్ ద బిగ్గర్ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ది పేజ్, the size of that particular length of the line or figure will become smaller. Okay. Now here I don't want that much size. Now I want a clear picture on the screen. So I want to change as per our A4 size sheet. Is it clear? Now limit, enter, Here, the lower left corners, I don't want to change. Let it be. So enter. Then 500 instead of 500, I want to give 200 by 200. Approximately our drawing sheet will be, A4 size sheet will be this much only. Okay. So it has not changed. So what we have to do? We change color. ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి. Hello? Hello? Anyone of you?
Ma'am.
It has not changed. Then what you have to do? Say చేయలేదు. So it has not changed because I have not given a zoom. I have not given a zoom. Now I will give a zoom. Zoom command. All. Yes, now I got it. Now we can check if you want to, it is there or not. Limits. Limits 0, 0, 200 by 200. Now we got. Okay. Now this is the actual size we are given. Okay. Now I set the page here now. Now we'll start doing the, once again I will check one more thing, units. This one. Okay. Now I want to change the scale also. Okay, let it be. Now take one problem. Take a problem, all of you. I don't want to give a problems from our manual which I given morning. You can do by reading those. So meanwhile I will be doing another problems. Okay. Simple problems, simple positions like perpendicular to both the planes. Now write down the problem. A pentagonal pyramid base 30 mm, side base 30 mm side and axis 65 mm long and axis 65 mm long has its base horizontal and an angle of base and an edge of the base parallel to VP. Edge of the base is parallel to VP. Don't have parallel, write a perpendicular. And edge of the base perpendicular to VP. Means out of 5 sides, one side is perpendicular. A horizontal section plane cuts it at a distance of 25 mm above the base. 25 mm above the base. Draw its front view and sectional top view. Draw its front view and sectional top view. Yes. Please, anyone can read the question? Please, anyone of you could read the question? Yes, roll number 1. Who will read? Okay.
Base 30 mm wide and axis 65 mm long.
Okay.
Has its base horizontal.
Okay. Horizontal on the edge.
Of
Now,
base
just wait. Just wait. A pentagonal pyramid base 30 mm and axis long, 65 mm long has its base horizontal means what? Has its base. What type of base is pentagonal base, right? Its base is a pentagonal. Kada?
Yes, ma'am.
Pentagonal means it is lying on the horizontal plane. It is lying on the horizontal plane. Okay, you have to try to understand. Has its base horizontal, base of that pyramid horizontal, it means lying on the horizontal plane. Then
And edge of the base perpendicular to VP.
perpendicular, right? Parallel to VP.
Perpendicular to VP, ma'am.
Yes, perpendicular to VP. Good.
Horizontal
Here,
section plane
uh,
cuts it at a distance of 25 mm.
okay. 25 mm above the base. Now I will show here, I will draw the four positions of the base of a pyramid. I will draw the four positions of the base of the pyramid. Out of those positions, you have to tell which one is the correct one. Polygon, here four sides. So here I will give five sides because it's the pentagon. Enter. Edge, given the edge, it is not like edge. So this is one position. Okay. This is okay. Here also I will draw. This is one position. This is one position. This is one position. Now, can you see the difference here? This edge is perpendicular to HP and this edge is parallel to HP. This edge is perpendicular to VP. Okay, this is the top view. This portion is top view and this portion is front view. You have to imagine lot here. You have to imagine lot here. It's not just as you looking, cannot understand anything here. Okay. Now here, this is parallel to VP. This is perpendicular to VP and this is parallel to VP. And here this is parallel to HP and this is perpendicular to HP. Now out of this, which one is the correct one? So out of this, which one is the correct one means first we have to decide whether the base is in the HP or in the VP. First you have to decide. Where is the base of the pyramid? Where is the base of the pyramid? It's on a VP or HP?
HP.
VP, ma'am, below HP.
It is on the HP. Read the question. A pentagonal pyramid base 30 mm side and axis 65 mm long has its base horizontal. Has its base horizontal means it is
HP,
on the
horizontal plane.
HP. So it is, so here the front view, if it is looking like this means the base is in the VP. Kada. So these are not correct. So I will remove these two. Okay. These two are removed. These are not correct. So out of these two, now which one you have to select? Which one is the correct one? The
Smaller
edge. The edge is,
edges perpendicular to VP.
yes.
Edge
Which
of
one
the
is
base.
the edge of the base? These are the edges. These are the edges. These are the base of the pyramid. Pentagonal
Second
pyramid.
one is the correct one, which is smaller of size.
What is this position of this edge? Is it the parallel to or perpendicular? This position.
Ma'am, it is lying on HP and
This total is lying on the HP, but the edge The question is, edge of the base perpendicular అన్నారు. Edge of the base is perpendicular to VP. ఇది VP plane, ఇది టాప్ వ్యూ. టాప్ వ్యూ ఇది VP plane. మనం పైన చూస్తున్నాం, పైన చూస్తుంటే ఇది టాప్ వ్యూ కదా. So these are the edges. So where it is? This edge is parallel to VP. Yes or no? This edge is parallel to VP. Are you getting or not? This edge is perpendicular to HP. See here. Now, if you want to, I want to show like this also. Let me try to show this one. Suppose this is the plane, okay, horizontal plane. We are in the first quadrant, in this corner only. Always our position is here only, okay. Now, here I will try to draw the figure. I don't know how I can draw the figure. Instead of board, I am drawing here, okay. This is the plane. Now, this edge is parallel. This edge is parallel to VP. Yes or no? Yes, please. Say yes or no. This edge is parallel to VP or not? Now, how will we draw the, how is the position? Now, I will move this one. I will move this figure and I will draw the perpendicular. Okay, now I will draw the perpendicular now. See here, this is the perpendicular. Now, is the difference on, is there any difference between these two? Now, this is parallel to VP, yes, and this is perpendicular to VP. Yes or no? Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
So, this is the difference. So, this is the correct one. This one is the correct one. This one is the correct one. So, I will remove this one. Please, okay, you have to, if you have any doubts, you can ask here only. Later on, you cannot ask. Okay. Now, this is not as per the given size. The base edges are 30 mm, right? Edges are 30 mm. So, I will remove and again I will draw the base in the same position. Okay. Now, I will take a pentagon. Now, 5 sides. Enter. Edge. Okay. Now, I will draw perpendicular position. I will draw. So, why I am getting a perpendicular? Because this is ortho on. Ortho mode is on. So I am getting, I can take this as vertical line, exactly vertical. Nothing but in this figure it is perpendicular. If I remove this one, if you won't get, you cannot take exactly perpendicular. Even though if you think this will be a, this is the perpendicular, sometimes then it will be shown lot of error somewhere else. So now you keep in the ortho mode on. Okay, now see here. If you cursor will be downwards from the previous point. This is the previous point. If you move your cursor downwards, it will show like this. If you move your cursor this side, it will show like this, or this side, it will show like this, or this side, it will show like this. Okay. So, polygon, here you can say enter. Edge you have to pick. So, first end point. So, I want to take first end point here. I can see. So, you have to, if you want like this, you have to keep ortho on, ortho mode on. So what is the size now? Like how you are giving the length of the line. If you put your cursor this side, so it will show like this ortho. So what is the length? cursor means it is depend upon the previous point. This is the previous point. Now it is asking the next point of edge. Okay. So next, what is the edge of the base? What is the size of the edge of the base? Yes, please. Any one of you. What is the size of the edge of the base?
25,
Is it 25 or 30?
30, 30.
Yes. So just give here. See the command option 30. Just give the 30. First end point of the edge are given. Then here you can give, you can see the 30 here. You can see 30 here. Right? Then enter. So this will become 30. These are all 30. If you want, you can check here by taking this one. This is also one type of command. Please note it down. Dim, DIM. So see here. So we have to set this one. I will show how to set. So this will be exactly 30. See here. Okay. This also I will show how to. Okay. Now it is 30. Now this is it a plane or is it like solid pyramid? Yes. మీరు తొందర రెస్పాండ్ చేస్తే I can complete at least one figure. Hello? Is
Yes,
it like
ma'am.
is it plane or solid now? This figure looks like
Plane, ma'am.
plane. So we have to make it solid. So when the base is on the HP, the apex also we can see. Apex means the inclined edges also we can see. So where will be the inclined edge? How to draw here? Center portion. Center one. How to find the center when you are doing your manual drawings? How to find the center point? Please respond, please, all of you. How to draw the center point? So you have to draw the perpendicular lines of any two edges. Perpendicular lines, any two edges. Those perpendicular lines, intersection of those two perpendicular lines will be the center point. Okay. So here in this, please write down in your notebook. For manual draw చేసినప్పుడు how to find the center point of a polygons. Of course, even side, uneven, odd sides ki. Even sides కంటే you can find out any two diagonals. Intersections of any two diagonals will get a opposite diagonals. Will get a midpoint. Okay, but odd sides ఉన్నప్పుడు how will you get? So when there is a odd sides, then you have to take a two perpendicular lines of any two edges. So I will take here two perpendicular lines. So you know that this is the midpoint. It shows the triangle, green triangle. Of course, here you can see the midpoint because here at the ortho, O snap, at O snap, I given all options tick here. So you can see. So this is the center point. This is the center point. You can see. If I tick, it's showing center point. If I won't give it a tick, then it won't show this one. Okay. Suppose in manuals you don't know the center point. So how to draw the center point? So from here, center, then like that, perpendicular line, any two sides, and another side, center point and perpendicular, like this. So this will become the center point. Okay. Manually me draw చేసినప్పుడు ఏ టూ సైడ్స్ అన్నా perpendicular lines draw చేస్తే ఆ intersection of those perpendicular lines will be the center point. Okay. Now here in AutoCAD automatically we are getting the center point. Okay. Automatically we are getting the center point. So I want to draw the edges now to the center. So I can draw the edges very easily like this. From here to the edge. Again here. Again enter. So the command will be removed here. Again if you give another enter, you will get the recent command. Okay. So again enter. Then I got the recent command. I given the line. So I got the line. Then from here I will give. So till here and here. Okay. Again enter. It will remove. The command will be removed. Again if you give the enter, the previous command we will get. Previous command. So here. Now we can see this one. right? Now, if it is inverted, if it is inverted, if it is inverted means the base is above. We cannot see this incline. How to draw? Okay, that I will explain later. Now, after doing this one, what is the position? This is the top view. What is the front view now? Just to project all the points in the front view. So here I will give the text in the line. Starting point, I want to give a starting point here. Enter. Then angle is I want to 0, 0 only, and the horizontal like horizontal only we are writing. Okay, when we are typing, the letters will be in the horizontal only. Okay, so horizontal only we want. Then rotation. Then text is yes, given a text again. I will check the text here. Starting point. Here you can see the height is very small, so I want to give a height of 5. Okay, let's see whether the 5 height is sufficient or not for our drawing. 5. Then rotation, so horizontal only. Enter. Okay, horizontal means what? Here 0, 0. How our degree starts? Our degree starts from right side, right? Right 0, 0. Then it will go up. Then 90 degrees. Then left, right, left side 180. Then down 270. So it will go like this. So here A, here B. Because I don't want to give A dash B dash because this is the top view. No dashes. B, C, D, E. And here I want to give O, right? Top apex. And another one I want to give as uh, P. P means center point of the base. Center point of the base that I want to keep in the brackets because that is not visible. It is not visible that you have to keep in the brackets, which is not visible. You have to keep it in the bracket. So when 2 points are coinciding, when we see the uh, top view or front view, 2 points are coinciding or 2 ends are coinciding. The visible end is, you can see the visible end is out of brackets, the invisible end is in the brackets, right? So that we can able to understand where is the P and where is the O. Now here now in the bracket it means we can understand the P
మ్యామ్
is
టాప్ అనేది ఎందుకు డాషెస్ ఇస్తలేనా
top dashes ఫ్రంట్ వీల్ వచ్చినప్పుడు డాషెస్ వస్తాయి. I'll show
ఓకే
you. Okay, I have to go here. I have to go here. The previous drawings I'll show you. Where we had drawn projection sections. Now see here. Can you all able to see the screen now?
No, ma'am. Screen sharing is not.
Now it's okay. Wait. Now is it okay? Yes, can you able to see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now see here. The top view I given here O and in the bracket. So always I will give O as apex here. And you also done many drawings in the school level. Okay, this is the front view. So I have given the dash for everything. I have given the dash. Okay. Now here the P is, here you can see the P here. The P is center point of the, see here P, this one. This is axis of this solid. This is axis of this solid. Okay. And this is the P, the center point of the solid P. So when we see from top view, this O is seen, but this P is not seen because on the same, this is O is the one end of the center, the one end of this axis, and P is the another end of the axis. So when we see directly here, we can, it is visible, O is visible and P is hidden. So hidden things are everything, hidden are in the brackets. Hidden are in the bracket, as you have done in the projection of lines. Projection of lines, when the line is perpendicular to VP or HP, then one endpoint will be there in the brackets. So without looking this figure also, we can tell by looking this one, where is P and where is 0, where is O, where is P and where is O. Whether it is inverted or elevated, you can understand by showing all these points. Okay. Now here, so now I have drawn the solid in a top view, and now I have to draw the front view. So whatever the points are there, all points we have to project on the front view. Now, so I have to project from A. So line command. So A. So already this is we have to give this ortho mode. Then it will come straight lines. Okay. Then again enter. So I will give again from B, double enter. From B also, so not required from B because already line is there, so no need of giving again. Now from C to E, because these two are same inclination, AE and BC are same inclination, so these two points will be coinciding. So this point will be coinciding, so I want to take till here. So again, here you have to select which point is the correct one. So this triangle, it is looking, triangle is means what? Midpoint of this line. So don't choose that line. Just go, just zoom it again. Then
Perpendicular.
no perpendicular. Perpendicular triangle చూపించదు. L shape చూపిస్తుంది. So the triangle is center point, midpoint of that line. Now see here, I will show this for this line. So see here, this is the midpoint. Now see here, this is the midpoint. So when we are selecting this point, when we are drawn this point, this line, this is very near to the midpoint. So you have to choose, we should know that where you are drawing. Okay. Then another line, and I want to draw here. Yes, someone is asking some doubt. Unable to hear. Yes, please. Anybody? Now I projected all these points here, and I want to give a text here, single, and here again you can see here 5. Given the text height is 5, same height, same text I want. Enter. Then angle is 0. Enter. Okay. Now here I want to give here. When this is the front view, so the base will be seen only the line. Okay. B, we can see B, C, D, we can see E and A we cannot see. E and A we cannot see. So what I have to do? I have to keep A in the bracket. I have to keep A in the bracket, dash, A dash, front view kada A dash. Okay. Now B is there. So B dash, B dash. Now this is C. This one is C. Should I draw a little bit away from this line? So I want to move this one. Instead of drawing that one, I want to move this one. Just wait. I will. And please check, it should be on, auto mode is on, so that it will come exactly straight, no need to adjust. Enter, I selected all, then I want a base point, so I will take this one, anything you can take as a base point, see here, okay? So I will also move these letters, this also I will move. Okay. Like this. Okay. This also will go okay. This is move cheyaledu. Okay, now I will project this, I will extend these lines here. So no need to give the extend command because already we are having here this auto mode. So no need to extend here. See here again it's showing the center line. So don't go there. If you give there, exactly it will draw the line. See here, right? So don't go like that. So please zoom it and draw the line clearly. So line. Now see here, don't go there. Okay, just it shows very near point. Then you can pick. Okay, now I projected all the points. So again, I want to draw a line because here the plane is there. This is XY reference line, nothing but a horizontal plane, and this plane base of the object is there here. So is there means you have to draw one more line here. You have to draw one more line. Don't leave like that. You have to draw one more line. Sometimes if you want to select that line, it will be selected. If you won't draw that line, if you want to select that line, this whole line will be selected. Okay. Now A dash in the brackets because this is a hidden when we see the front view. Okay. When we see the front view, this B, C and D is visible directly. And this A and E is not visible. These are the hidden. So these hidden are kept in the brackets. So we have to go in order. This is A dash, B dash, and C dash. C dash is visible, so no need of keeping in the bracket. So directly C dash. Okay. Now here I'll give C dash, and here D is also visible. So D dash, and after D is on this line, on this projector, behind this C dash, behind this C. Okay, this is C, behind this C, E is there. So I will keep in the brackets. So here I want to write in the brackets because there a line will come. I don't want to write here. I want to write here D. So that one is in the bracket. E dash in the bracket. Okay, now over. Now close here. So A, B, C, D, E back again. Now is it clear all of you? Now once I got this, once I projected the base. Now how will we draw the height? On what point we have to draw the height of the solid, height of the pyramid? Yes, any one of you? Yes, yes, very good. So apex, from apex, I will draw the one more line command. So from apex, I want to stop here. I can do continue, I can draw continue, but sometimes I need to select those apex also. So I want to cut there and I want to continue the another line. And what is the height of the apex? Or nothing but the height of the pyramid? What is the height? Yes, please. What is the height? Please, anyone of you, what is the height? Height is 65. So 65. Just I will I will keep my cursor here compared to the previous one, right? So 65. Enter. So I got a 65. Okay. Now join all the points. So means this is O. This is O dash. Okay, this is also O dash. And in the bracket, P. Okay, sorry, this is not O dash. I have to remove this O dash. Here only O, P in the bracket. Okay, means here is P is there. Here P is there. So I will write it P dash. Front view kada? P dash. Now it's clear all of you? Okay. Now one more thing is, here I don't want to draw this line here. I want to remove this one. I want to remove this. This figure we are going very slow because I want to show all the things in this figure. So here, what is the axis line? The axis line will be somewhat different. It's not a continuous line. Axis line is dash line, dash line, dash line. Okay. So that will be selected. Please look at here, all of you. That will be selected from here. See here. Bilayer. Here the different types of lines are not there. Only one line is there. If one line is there, then go here, others, then this list will be there presented here. Then only two are there. So here also no different types of lines are there. So you go to load, and you can see here different number of types of lines are there. See here, many lines are there. Okay, now you should know how to draw the center line, axis line. How to draw the axis line is line dot is there. So we'll check whether the type of line, the type of is there on C here. The type is there here. Dash dot. Select this one. Select this one. After selecting this one, this is okay. Then okay. Then it will be listed here. Okay, it will be listed here. You can see. Then okay. Then after doing, then you pick here. So this is there here. See. Okay. So before that, when we are drawing a line, whatever the type of line is visible here, that line is, you can, with that line you can draw whatever we are doing the drawings. Now we have to change this one. We have to change this one. So this one we want axis line. Okay, this axis line that I selected. So present this line is there. Now if we draw the line command, if we take the line command, that type of line is drawn here. See here, this is the apex. So this one from here I have to draw, but these are the projectors. These are the projectors. Okay. Now this line is drawn from here. So at what height? 65. 65. That's it. Is it clear now? Axis height will be drawn like this. Are given different types of lines. In the notes are given long back. Okay. Now this is axis line. Now we got the base here. Base undi already. ABCD base undi. మనం ఒక line draw చేసాం ఇక్కడ. See here. Selected C. So base is there and axis is there. Now we have to draw the inclined edges. These inclined edges. AO, BO, CO, DO, EO. We have to draw this one. So AO. So I will draw the again. If it take line command, this line will come. Again, we have to change the line. Like this, we have to change by layer. Change the line. Change. Okay. Now go to line command and draw the line. So AO. So here A is there. A is there. So from here and this one. So it is coming like this. Why? Because ortho mode is there. So remove the ortho mode. Remove the ortho mode. Then draw like this. Okay. Now enter. Now another line. AO I have drawn. Then what about BO? BO will be on the same line only. When you draw the BO also, B is there and O is there. So it will be coincident. These two lines will be coincident. So no need to draw here. Understood? Okay. Why we have drawn here means when we need to select the base. That's why we have drawn here. Suppose if the total solid is somewhat inclined, if I drawn somewhat inclination like this. So we need to select this one. So we have drawn the another line. If we don't draw the another line, this whole line will be selected. Okay. So here no need of drawing another line. Is it clear? Now from CO. CO is there, here C is there, CO. So again line command, then starting point, either that side or this side I can take, line command, CO. Okay. Then another edge is there, DO. Okay. So I am already at O, then D. Okay. Then what about EO? So here also same, CO and EO are coinciding. E is hidden. Let me write E also here. Brackets E dash. Okay. Enter. Okay. EO is there. Line slant edge CO and EO both are coinciding. So no need to draw EO. Already here a line is there. Okay. Now it is clear all of you. This is nothing but same like a projection of solids, simple solids. Projection of simple solids resting on HP, one of base of the pyramid. Base of the pyramid is resting on the HP. The simple position. Now we have to give the section. What is the position of the section now? What is the position of the section? Yes, please. Any one of you?
25 mm about the base.
Vertical mm about the for 25 mm about the base. So section is in what position? Perpendicular to VP or parallel to VP? Perpendicular to VP. Okay, so from the base you have to, now here you have to draw the one line from the base. You have to draw one line here. So ortho on 25 kada 25 mm. So 25. Enter. Okay, I got 25. Now from here I can give here section also, but here the section line also you have to give in a different form, in a different way. You please open the page number 38. Page number 38. You see the section given BT and Chargada. BT, vertical trace or nothing, but if you extend it will become the vertical trace. Okay. BT is there. So within the figure that line is thin line, then out of the figure the line is thick line. Okay. So I will take this section line. Section line, one long dash, one small dash, one long dash, one small dash. So others here it is not there. So go for load. Then I want to take one long line, small line, long line, small line. See here. This I will take. Okay. Then okay. Then okay, it is there. Here. Then okay. Then it will be listed here. Then this is okay. Okay. Now present this line is there. When we will give the line command, then this line will be there. So I want to draw this line here. Now line. So I want to go back line. Ortho on. Why I have given like this, I will explain you. Again here. and a little bit. Okay. Now, is it visible in this way? Is it visible in
Ma'am,
this way? Yes?
ma'am, I think you drew the line wrong, ma'am.
Huh? Chappa? I think, you think?
లైన్ తప్పు డ్రా చేసినట్టున్నారు మ్యామ్. కిందికి మీదికి వచ్చింది లైన్.
అదా కొంచెం కిందికి మీదకి వచ్చింది. వై? బికాస్ ఈ లైన్ ఇంక్లైన్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇంక్లైన్ అందుకు అలా వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి, ఇగో హియర్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, లెట్ ఇట్ బి, ఆర్ ఐ విల్ రిమూవ్ దిస్ వన్. లైన్ కమాండ్ మనకి ఇదే లైన్ వస్తుంది. ఇది లైన్ ఎందుకు రావట్లేదు అంటే ఇది ఇంక్లైన్ ఉంది కదా, సో ఇంక్లైన్ ఉన్నందుకు కరెక్ట్ రాదు ఇది. లేకపోతే జూమ్ చేసి పెద్దగా జూమ్ చేసి ఈ కరెక్ట్ ఈ కర్సర్ లైన్ ఉంది కదా ప్లస్ అని దాని మీద వచ్చేట్టు తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, నౌ దిస్ నార్మల్ సైజ్ we has shown here, but it is not looking in this way. జూమ్ చేసింది కనిపిస్తుంది. సో ఇది కనిపించాలంటే ఏం చేయాలంటే you have to give line type scale. Please copy the command line type scale. Line type scale. Please copy the command line type scale. అంటే ఆ లైన్ స్కేల్ చేంజ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఎంటర్. ఇది 1 లో ఉంది, ప్రెసెంట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ 1, స్కేల్ is 1. Okay, so I want to change, let me change to 5. Yes, so I want to change little bit more also, and previous command kada, enter. So here I want to change 6 and betta, enter. See, it was changed. Okay, then page number 38, you see this page number 38, out of the figure, pentagon ఉంది కదా, out of the figure the line is thick line and inside is thin line. That's why I drawn the different lines. I have not drawn the single line. Now you understood? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Open chesara leda? Now I want to draw a thick line. So again, if I want to draw a thick line, what I have to do? I will select this one. I will select this one. Just wait here. Second internal, first internal. సెకండ్ కూడా తీసుకోండి, మళ్ళీ పెట్టండి కదా మెసేజ్. సెకండ్ కూడా తీసుకురా, ఫస్ట్ తీసుకురా, యాజ్ సూన్ యాజ్ పాసిబుల్. లేకుంటే జిరాక్స్ తీసుకొని ఇవ్వు, మీరు ఆన్లైన్ లో సబ్మిట్ చేశారు కదా, ఆ జిరాక్స్ తీసుకో, ప్రింట్ తీసుకో, దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో పాసిబుల్. రోల్ నెంబర్ చూడలేదమ్మా, చాలా నోట్స్ ఉంది, చాలా ఎంత బండిల్ తేవాలి, ఇంత బండిల్ తేవాలి. అదే కదా నేను సెండ్ చేసింది, నా ఫోన్లోనే సెండ్ చేసిన, మరి అదే సెండ్ చేసిన, స్కానర్లో తీసి సెండ్ చేసిన. Okay, now I selected these lines. Now I want to make it a thick line. So here by layer you can see here this part. Okay, these are the different types of thickness of lines. So we were doing always maintaining always 0.3. So I will take a 0.3 here. So this is now okay. So why it is not selected? What is the reason? The reason is now here you go the line weight setting. Line weight setting low, this is not here, there is not tick here. So if you make a tick here, then it will be selected. Okay, display line weight, display is not displaying because tick is not there. So now okay, now again see here, this is displayed. Okay, so here it is after getting a thickness, it is all lines, the gaps are not visible. So again I want to give a LTS, line type scale. So here I will give, let's see, 7 I will give. So little bit we can see now. Okay, so like this we have to change. Are you all copying the commands? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So again, I want to remove this one. I want to remove the extra lines. Okay. Now this is the line. Now here, this is nothing but a section plane. Section plane is nothing but a knife. Okay, knife cut చేసింది అనమాట. So now this is assumed to be removed out. This is remains. It will be remain. Okay. Now where it is cutting, all edges are cutting here. All edges are cutting. అంతే కదా. ఇది నైఫ్ ఇది కట్ అయింది అనమాట. అన్ని ఎడ్జెస్ ఏఓ బిఓ సిఓ డిఓ అన్ని కట్ అయిపోయినాయి. సో వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కటింగ్ దేర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ద నేమ్స్ నౌ. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ద నేమ్స్ నౌ. హియర్ అగైన్ ఐ విల్ టేక్ ఎ టెక్స్ట్. So here I want to give, instead of 5, I want to give 3. I want to change size because when these lines are very close, the numbers will be overlapping. Okay, now here. Now here, now it is cutting here. AO is cutting, somewhere it is cutting. So here on AO I will give as 1. On BO I will give as 2. On CO 3, DO 4, EO 5. Like that I will give. Order, I want to go in order. AO as 1. So AO is here. Line AO is here. So line AO is hidden. So A dash is hidden. And here I want to give a 1. So this one also I will keep it in the bracket. So this one also I will keep it in the bracket. 1 dash, because this is in the front view. Okay, 1 dash. Okay. Now 1. Now B is on OB. 2 is on OB. So here I will give us 2 dash. Because 2 is visible. BO visible enough ఇక్కడ కట్ చేసినప్పుడు 2 కూడా కనిపిస్తుంది. So no need of in the bracket. So 2 is visible. 2 dash. Then here also 3. 3 is there. So this point is also visible. So here 3 will be there. See over there. So 3 dash. Similarly here 4 dash. 4 dash. And here not here. This is the axis. Now here you have to show. Okay. 5 dash. Bracket hidden kada. So 5 dash. Bracket 5 dash. Now it's clear now. Now I want to change this one. Enter. I will select this one. I want to change here, like I can change like this also. Okay. So this one also I can change. Escape. This is a center line. This is a dash dot dash. I will select this one. Okay. This my tara changes no. Okay. Now. Now here we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, but here we have to show 1, 2, 3, 4 where it is cutting. How? Again we have to draw the projectors from 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 1, where is 1? 1 is on AO. So draw the projector. So here I am getting this line. So I want to change this line now. I want to change this line by layer. Okay. Now line command. So 1 is on AO. So I will stop till 1 is on AO. I will zoom it. 1 AO. Okay. Is it clear now? Now where is 2? 2 is on BO. So on the 1 and 2 will be coinciding. So here same, project it. If I draw, then it won't be zigzag. Okay. Now it's clear. So this is 1, this is 2 and 3. How to draw the 3 now? So again here also you can project this one. 3 also you can project. This is the point 3. Okay. So point 3. So from here, just project it here. 3 is on CO. 3 is on CO. So you can draw like this. Okay. Now C is over. 3 is over. 4 is there. So project from 4. Project from 4. Okay. Now 5. 5 is on EO. Point 5 is on EO. EO is here. So where is the projector? Already the projector drawn when we drawn the C కూడా 3 draw చేసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఉంది సేమ్ ఇక్కడే కట్ అవుతుంది సో పాయింట్ ఈస్ దేర్ హియర్ ఆల్రెడీ పాయింట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఓకే ఐ మీన్ ద ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ టూ ది ప్రొజెక్షన్ ప్రొజెక్టర్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇంక్లైన్ ఎడ్జ్ ఈస్ కటింగ్ హియర్ okay. Now join all these points. So this point, this point, this point, this point, this point. I don't want to draw the point here. I don't want to keep a point here because already these lines are intersection lines. It will show the intersection line. Use this option, this one, O snap. So it will show the intersection points. I don't want to show, I don't want to draw the points command, giving the, I don't want to draw the point by giving point command. Okay. Now join all this line. Ortho of, okay. So intersection, intersection means it will show green cross line, and here also it will show end point. For this one, this is the end point or intersection, and here also intersection, and here also over. So I want to give this one also. Why? Because if I want to make a thick line, this is the one total single line here. I think we have drawn the separate lines. Okay, let it be. Now we got. So this is the true shape of the section. True shape of the, because the sectional plane is perpendicular to VP, parallel to HP. So this is the true shape. No need to draw another shape, sectional shape. Okay. So I told that we have to draw the lines in the section plane, section. We have to draw the inclined lines. So no need of drawing all separate lines. So for that we have to go for hatch. Let me write here text here. 1. Here is 1. Here is 2. Here is 3. Here is 4. And this point is 5. Okay. Enter. Now I want to draw the lines, all inclined lines. So I will go here, hatch is there. Or you can give the hatch command also. So hatch, instead of going like this, you can see these are the different symbols for different materials. Okay. So here materials is not specified anywhere. So don't bother about this one. Just we'll go this one. All inclined lines equally spaced. Okay. Then you select this one. Select. Okay. Now select the object. So we'll select here. See here. It's there. And here also. Fill this one. So it will be filled in the closed plane. ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా గ్యాప్ ఉంటే 2 lines లో గ్యాప్ ఉంది అనుకోండి అక్కడ రాదు అది. You fill in this closed plane. Why here it is not coming? Because these points are there. OP ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి here it is not getting. Okay. This will be like that only. So here, 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 and here. Okay. But for the normal shape, normal position, this will be looking like a filled one. It is not looking shape. So we have to go for here. You have to change here. So the scale, see here, the scale means the lines between these one is 1. The gap between these one is 1. You can able to see here, see? So we have to increase that gap, increase that place. So go like this, or directly can take, let us see 5. If you give a 5, how it looks. Even though it is very close. When you take a printout, so this everything is filled. Ink fill అయిపోతుంది. Okay. So I want to take a little more. Let me take 8. Let's see. 8 at Tasunda. Okay, not bad. So I will take 10. 10. See here. Okay. If you want to give 12 also, no problem. So print out, print this number, make easy గా వస్తుంది 12. No, it's okay. It's clear now. ఇస్తే 15 కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు. Okay. So this is the section. So after this is section plane. So this is a section. When you can see the hatching portion, when the object between the observer is here, because this is a top view. Because this is a top view. Okay. Observer is here. Observer is here. The object between the observer and the sectional plane, this is a sectional plane, is assumed to be removed out. Then only the remaining portion is, the remaining part is this one. The remaining part is this one. అంతే కదా, మీరు ఏదన్నా సపోజ్ కాలా జామున్ కట్ చేస్తారు కదా, చాకు తీసుకుని కట్ చేస్తారు, మనం చూస్తున్నాం అబ్జర్వర్, అవర్ ఐస్ యూ స్టాప్. ఓకే, if you remove the portion, the object between the knife and our eyes, if you remove that one, then only you can see what is there inside. Yes or no? The remaining portion. So like that, this is the remaining portion. And something else, you can see that like sometimes it will be seen in green or red color in the kala jamun. The same manner, that is this one. That is nothing but you have to give this section. This is called a section. Okay, this is called a section. So this total figure called a sectional top view. This total figure will call a sectional top view. Okay, is it clear all of you? Now this is the remaining portion. So what I said, the remaining portion we have to draw the thick line. So I don't want to show the color line. I don't want to show the color line. Why? Because when you take a printout, the normal lines which are drawn, it will drawn at highlight that those lines are highlighted, which are drawn a color line, those are not highlighted. Okay, so I don't want to show the color line unless if you take the color printout. If you take a color printout, then it's well and good. Well and good, it's more beautiful also. So anyway, you people are not taking the color printouts. So I don't want to use a color here. I want to increase the thickness of the line, the actual figure, the remaining or actual figure as we have done in the previous drawings. I want to use a thick line. Okay, so when I want to use a thick line, I will draw the again line. So I will increase the line thickness. So normally I was using the 0.3. Okay, then I go for a line. So line I will draw again like this. So this will be again line. This whole base will be there. Okay, this I don't want to draw. I will change this line again. So this was about change line. And again this line, this also is there, this also is there. Inclined edges. Okay, so this is finished. Then what about the top view? This portion is assumed to be removed. This will be not there. Okay, this portion is not there. Means this portion is not there. Okay, so here also we have to show. So this is the remaining portion. So remaining portion I will draw the thick line. Enter. So all thick lines I will draw. I can take again polyline, this polygon command. Like this. Now it is the remain portion, remain part of the solid is highlighted. Now it's clear now. Remain part is highlighted. Now this one I want to remove. Let me see this one, how I can do. This one I will remove and I will select that type of a. Okay, here I will change. So this is the axis line, this is the line, this line I have to draw. So from here I want to draw line ortho on why it is not coming. Let me check. చూద్దామండి ఎందుకు రావట్లేదు. సో లైన్ for previous also I didn't get this one. So let me take this one. For this one I would think okay. Now within this section line, within the figure it should be light line, and out of the figure it should be dark line. So I will select this one. Okay, now I will make it a dark line. Yes, this is the procedure. Section lines always you have to draw in this way. When the line comes out of the figure, it should be dark. When the line comes inside the figure, it should be light. Okay. Now I want to make it thick. This one also. So if I select this one, center line kuda, I want to make it thick center line. So it is selecting total length. So here what I do is, there already this line is there. Then I will draw again with a thick line. Or else you can draw first and make it a thick later on also. Okay, now it is also possible. Okay, if you want you can make a LT scale. LT scale, you can change this one also if you want. How much it was there? So it's 7, let me say 9. Okay. Is it clear now? So dimensions, you show here dimensions. At what scale? Here from base to here is. Now I will change this thickness to default by layer, and this one is by layer. Okay. Now I want to change the dimensions now. From here to here. So how much it is there? It should be 25. So correct గా తీసుకోలేదు నేను. From here to here. Okay. This is very small. So for this, what I have to do is very small. Showing another one. Okay, we'll see. Now I want to change this one. So for change, we have to take D space. Type D and space bar. So we will get here. So here there is a modify. Select tap on modify. So we'll get different types. You can change it here. First, I want to change a line. No need of changing a line. We'll see later on. Okay, symbols, arrows. What are the symbols? Are here we are having small arrows, so I want to change the symbol arrow also. So here I will change to 5. Okay, 5 or 4 I will change. Okay, this is the 5 and this is the 3. So 4 is okay. Okay, arrow size. Okay. Now text. Now see here. We'll say why this one big size is coming. Okay. Text. Here the text height is there, very small. అందుకే మనకు కనిపించలేదు. So here again I will take a text height as 4. Okay. And what else? With not required. Primary units. So this is very important. Now see, when beginning in the starting, this we got. I had drawn the line, right? I had drawn the line. That line dimensions is showing in the 4 decimals after the decimal point, 4 digits. Okay, this we have to change now. So if we change this one, I want to make this is only 0. Only 1 decimal after the only 1 digit after the decimal. Okay, so here automatically test change. See here again. If I take 2 numbers will come. So I'll show you, suppose this is 44.9. So it is very nearer to 45. Okay, if I take this one, so here 45, but already 46 is there. Already 46 near, very near. So is there error or not for this measurement? Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
చెప్పండి మీరు, లేకపోతే నేను ఆన్లైన్లో ఉన్నాను, లాగౌట్ అయిపోయినా తెలియట్లేదు. ఓకే
Okay, ma'am.
which one we are drawing? This one we are drawing. Okay, so this is the difference here. So always we have to take after decimal 1 digit, 1 number is fine. Now you got it. What is the lot change undi kada? Okay, so now period means dot comma వస్తుంది, ఒక్కోసారి కామా కాదు పీరియడ్ పెట్టాలి, dot. Okay, now this is normal degrees, let it be. And this also degrees, decimal degrees only, these are the decimal degrees. And here also I want to change precision. If we want to measure any degrees, like projection of lines లో మీకు degrees find out చేయమని చెప్పారు కదా, ఆల్ఫా బీటా theta gamma ఇవన్నీ చెప్పారు కదా. So for that one this is compulsory, for that one this is compulsory. If you take this one you will get error, if you don't at least a few, so it will be better for this one. So I will take this one. Now see here, if it is exactly 60 means it will show 60.0. If it is 59.9 ఉందనుకోండి, ఈ దీంట్లో పెడితే 59 చూపిస్తుంది, 0.9 చూపించదు, అంటే 1 degree మిస్ అయినట్టే కదా. So you have to show this one. This is very important. Okay. Okay, now anything else? Now here lines. Lines means about these lines. And many drawings, when we are drawing a line, it is continuing. When we are showing the dimension line, suppose in this case, it is continuing. We are not getting whether it is a line or dimension line. Some drawings will be getting confused. So I want to cut here. I want to give you offset here. So offset here you can see offset from origin. So it is very small, nothing is there, almost nothing is there. I want to increase now. See here. How I was increasing, it is changing this offset. Gap is there, gap is coming, gap is increasing. See here, right? Yes or no? Are you all getting? So I want to give little far away from the figure, as per my drawing. Okay, now here you can see the arrow mark. This arrow mark is at the end of this line. I don't want like that also, I want to at the middle. So for this one you can change this one, extend beyond dimension line. So let's see, can you able to see the difference? Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you can change in this way. So this will be coming in the lines in the dimensions lone, not other lines. D space. Please note it down. D space. That you go. So set all these symbols. Arrows have changed, and the text also have changed. We'll see the text whether it is sufficient. Then it's okay. Then fit. So here not required for you at present. Primary units also not required. Now these are not required. Okay. Now okay. ఓకే అయిన తర్వాత దెన్ సెట్ కరెంట్ పేజ్లో ఏమున్నాయో అవి సెట్ చేస్తే ఇప్పుడు సెట్ అవుతాయి. కరెంట్ పేజ్లో సెట్ కరెంట్ ఈ ప్రజెంట్ పేజ్లో సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే ఎవరైనా చేంజ్ అయిపోతాయి. వాట్ ఎవర్ వి హావ్ చేంజ్ దోస్ మోడిఫైడ్ దోస్ విల్ బి మోడిఫైడ్. ఓకే దెన్ క్లోజ్. సి నౌ యూ గాట్ ఇట్ ఆర్ నాట్? 24.9
Yes, ma'am.
ఇందాక ఎన్నో డెసిమల్ తర్వాత ఎన్నో వచ్చాయి కదా. Okay, so those are all removed. So 24.9 here. So I want to change the text here also. Dimension కొంచెం తక్కువ చేద్దాం. How much I given? 4 ఇచ్చాను కదా. D space I want to change this one. Modify text height ఇచ్చాం మనం. Okay, I want to change this one. This I want to change to 3. Okay. Set current already it is changed here. Okay, set current. Close. Okay, now it's okay. So minimize చేసిన తర్వాత now it's sufficient. Okay, now in this way. So this is the simple position. This is the simple position. Simple position of the sections. Now the same figure, which already class. I want to show this one also. The difference between the position of the section plane. See here, I want to show this one also. How it will be the same figure, but section plane is perpendicular to HP, parallel to VP. Section plane is perpendicular to VP, parallel to HP. See here. This we are drawn now. This we have to draw. Right? So what you do, now I give the question, just change the question. The same question is, write down the question. I will take class 1 hour, class after 1 hour. Should I? Yes, please. Respond చేయండి అమ్మా. So we'll join at 6. Again, we please come back. Yes, please. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So again, we will join at 6. Okay. Now, please write down the question. Please write down the question there. A pentagonal pyramid, base 30 mm, side, base 30 mm side and axis 65 mm long, has its base horizontal and edge of the base is perpendicular to VP. A horizontal section plane cuts it at a distance of, don't take it a distance, cut at a distance of 8 mm, at a distance of 8 mm from the apex draw its front view and the sectional top view. Draw its front view and section. Draw its front view. Draw its fractional draw its sectional front view, not front view. Draw its sectional front view and top view. Okay. So we'll start again. We'll continue at 6 or 6:30. I will message you. Is it clear? Now please give your attendance now, all of you. Just wait. Don't go. I will take attendance.